How much should you actually spend on glass food storage containers? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others end up returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, NETANY 6-pack overnight oats containers. Let's kick things off with the NETANY 6-pack 16 Oz containers. Priced at just $17.99, these jars really caught my eye with their vibrant multicolor designs. If you want functional and fun storage for your snacks or overnight oats, this is worth a serious look. The airtight lid is a standout feature. It keeps your food fresh longer and prevents leaks, making them perfect for on-the-go meals. Plus, the wide mouth design makes filling and cleaning a breeze. Honestly, the stackable design is a game changer for those tight kitchen spaces. Now, some users mentioned that they found the lids a bit difficult to snap on tightly at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to them, the secure seal really pays off. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a colorful, compact option for meal prep. Skip this one if you need something larger for bulk storage. For under $18, they offer solid value for your money. Now, if the size of the NETANY containers bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Liuruyu 8-pack glass food storage containers. Next up, we have the Liuruyu 8-pack glass food storage containers. At $20.88, these are a fantastic option if versatility is what you need. If you're serious about meal prep, this set is definitely worth a look. What's great about these containers is their variety of sizes. They support everything from snacks to full meals, perfect for home or on the go. They're safe for the oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, which simplifies your cooking and cleaning process. The airtight locking lids are another highlight. They prevent spills and keep your food fresh, which is essential if you're transporting lunches. However, I did see some comments about the lids not fitting securely over time. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with them, they work just fine and provide that all-important freshness. This is perfect for you if you love meal prepping and want a reliable set for various uses. Skip this one if you need larger containers for batch cooking. Overall, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to reduce waste and eat healthier. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more variety. Product number 3, Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass Food Storage Containers. Coming in hot at $79.99 is the Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass Food Storage Containers, a set of 9 containers that's hard to overlook. If you're after durability and quality, this set is worth a serious look. These containers are leak-proof and airtight, which means you can store soups without worrying about spills. The universal lid system is super convenient because you can mix and match lids across different sizes. Plus, they're stain and odor resistant, which is something we all want for long-term use. But here's a catch. Some users mention that the price is a bit steep compared to others. I get it, but the quality and versatility you're getting here justify the investment, especially if you cook often. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive set that covers all your cooking and storage needs. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just need a couple of containers. It's an investment, but worth every penny if you ask me. Now, if the price of the Rubbermaid containers gives you pause, let's check out a more budget-friendly option that still delivers great quality. Product number 4, KOMUEE 10 packs 30 Oz glass meal prep containers. Next, we have the KOMUEE 10 pack 30 Oz glass meal prep containers for $39.99. If you're looking for ample storage for meal prepping, this set is definitely worth considering. These containers are made from borosilicate glass, which is stronger and more durable than standard glass. The airtight snap-lock lids ensure your meals stay fresh and secure, preventing spills during transport. With 30 Oz capacity, these containers are perfect for portion control, helping you maintain healthy eating habits. However, some users found the lids tricky to clean. Here's the thing though, if you stick them on the top rack of the dishwasher, they're generally fine, and you can always hand wash them if needed. This is perfect for you if you meal prep regularly and need a comprehensive set for various meal sizes. Skip this one if you prefer smaller containers for quick snacks. It's a good mid-range option that balances quality and price. Now, if you're looking for a smaller set that's still powerful, the last option might just fit your needs perfectly. Product number 5, VTopMart 5-pack 22 Oz glass storage containers. Last but not least, we have the VTopMart 5-pack 22 Oz glass storage containers priced at $21.59. If you want something practical and easy to use, this set is worth a look. These containers are great for meal prep, office lunches, or just storing leftovers. The airtight seals mean you won't have to deal with leaks, which is crucial if you're packing soups or sauces. They're safe for the oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, making them incredibly versatile. Plus, the stackable design helps save space in your kitchen. However, some users noted that the lids might not hold up over time. Here's the thing, if you're gentle with them, they should last well enough for regular use. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, reliable option for everyday food storage. Skip this one if you need larger containers for bulk cooking. For under $22, they offer great value for practical kitchen needs. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the NETANY jars for their fun design, the Liuruyu containers for versatility, the high-quality Rubbermaid set, the budget-friendly KOMUE pack, and the straightforward VTopMart options. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on your specific needs. Happy storing!